So we have purchased the new Dyson Cordless Vacuum V8 for animals. Opening the package now, piece by piece, and I'm going to show you guys how it performs. Just on the first experience. Now, it's charged overnight. This is the next morning, and I'm taking it through my living area. I've had it upstairs a little bit. Just my first experience, it picks up really well. I'm going to show you the hair that it has picked up and the dirt and the fur. So it performs really well. My only quarrel with it is the battery life. When you put it on the max option, it does not last. The battery didn't seem to last more than 30 minutes. So I had to charge it again. I'm already hoping to get some spare batteries. So the battery life could be better, but as far as performance and picking up debris, dirt, and animal fur, it works really well. Right now, I'd like to show you what we picked up. This is the fur on the inside. And you can kind of see what it's doing. This is the second time. This was the first time. I got a little backwards, sorry you guys, but this is the first time. This is all that it picked up from upstairs. So a lot. So it's performing really well as far as picking up at this moment in time. And we will see how that continues to go as time moves on, and I will keep you guys posted.